This jump demonstration shows how to find capability indices on many processes at once. We'll use the process measurements data table from the sample data library. Each process has the spec limits column property already added. To begin, select Analyze, Quality and Process, Process Capability. All 7 process measurements go in the Y role. There are options for subgrouping, estimation of sigma, and the use of distributions other than the normal distribution. I'll just use the defaults here and click OK. The goal plot shows only 2 of the 7 variables are capable of meeting specification. You can hover over the points on the goal plot to see a control chart of the process. Clicking the graphlet opens the Control Chart Builder platform. The Capability Boxplots report shows the data for each process standardized using its spec limits. This graph can help diagnose bad capability performance. From the red triangle, you can select the Process Performance Plot to see a graphical summary of both capability and stability of the processes. Also from the red triangle, you can ask for the individual capability reports for each process.